Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to the video. I'm OrangeMask23 and today is really exciting because for a while now I've been working on this and I've been trying to figure out how to put it into my channel, which is 3D printing. So I've been 3D printing a couple of stuffs already, just understanding how it works. And now I think I'm ready because I've printed something pretty cool, which was this Princess Peach, and I'm going to be painting it. But before we get into that, I will show you the progress video. But yeah, I have been working on a couple of stuffs like glow in the dark. I did work with that and it came out with this cool Charizard. I used a multicolor one for this, but even though it's multicolor, it mostly glows yellow. But it's still pretty cool. And then I also got the Pikachu here, though the purple one does not glow as bright as the other ones I've used so far. I also got the Barbarian King from Clash of Clans and painted this one. And then I also got this Chase Paw Patrol right here, which is pretty cool. I used the dual filament thing. It's like orange, kind of pink. And then it almost ran out, so I had to switch it to like a green purple. But yeah, I also got this cat here, which I am going to kind of paint because I wanted to for a little while. But yeah, without further ado, let's see the progress video on top of this peach, and then we'll get painting.
Head down the highway side, cold wind, but it feels right. With you, I'm heavy breathing. Feels like I'm lucid dreaming. I'm not usually the type to rush into the night. This time I can't be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow.
Okay, so the colors, or what I'm gonna go for is the fire dress, because sadly I do not have all the colors to make the original one, which is I was gonna go for at first, which is mostly pink, but you have like hot pink for like these parts of the dress right here, and then like the collar part around the neck. But yeah, I do not have that, so I think I'm gonna do the fire dress because that one still looks pretty good, and it is a little more simple. So let's see here. We are going to use crimson red for the red parts. We're going to use yellow for the hair, of course. We're going to have blue as well. Yeah, prime blue, because actually crimson red and prime blue can also be for like the little gems that she has on top of her. And then I'm trying to think again what we need. Oh, that's right. Gold for the crown, and also that like pendant or medallion that she has on her chest. So yeah, I think that is basically all the colors. Oh wait, and we cannot forget peach for peach. So yeah, these are all the colors we're going to be using to paint this. And hopefully this goes well. But anyways, yeah, so let's get right into it.
I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, my knees on the floor. I'm begging you, it's you I adore. You took me to see Versailles in the middle of July. I'll fall into the deep end, giving into my feelings, afraid to go on this ride. I'm scared to crash inside. This time I might be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, my knees on the floor. I'm begging for more. It's you I adore. You took me to see Versailles in the middle of July. I'll fall into the deep end, giving into my feelings. Afraid to go on this ride. I'm scared to crash inside. This time I might be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more.
Alright everyone, it was a long and kind of tough process, but we made it. So yeah, doing the fire dress wasn't too bad since the filament was white already and it 3D printed like that. Like all I had to do was just add in a few spots, but it actually came out not too bad. I'm actually really excited for this, but yeah, and like I said, I also got to paint the cat a little bit, which was supposed to be like this. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell to be notified for more videos. And yeah, stay tuned because I'm working on another big project, which is going to be pretty cool, I hope. But yeah, without further ado, until the next one, peace out.